So what is ideal is if an unauthenticated user try to visit the dashboard URL and they will be redirected to the home page. They cannot visit the dashboard page until they are signed in. So this is the ideal and real world case that no unauthenticated user can visit a protected route until they are logged in or created an account. So now it comes the second way and the more ideal way. That is, how can we protect a route completely? So no unauthenticated user can visit a protected route. So how can we do that in Next.js? In order to achieve this root protection, we have to use middleware. So let's go to the Next.js documentation. Docs, root. All right, and from here, the middleware. There are a lot of text here. I'm recommending to read all of them if you want to be good in Next.js. Since we're not teaching Next.js, I'm just going to here. Yeah, this is what we need. So I'm just copying it here and go to our Next.js application code, create a file, name middleware.ts, and pasting. And now we have to go to the Kinde docs. From here, we have to go to the protecting routes section, go to the down. We have to import this with auth. Go to our code, import it from here, and we have to export default to with auth. All right, now if we save it and go to the browser, go to the home page actually, you can see that we are not allowed to visit even home page. When we try to visit home page, we'll be redirected to the authentication system of Kinde. So how can we unprotect our homepage? So any user can visit the homepage, and that makes sense because no one can sign in or sign up or create account to visit your homepage, right? So go to our code, and from here we have to exclude homepage. We have to exclude our homepage so user can visit the homepage. So just add $sign here and save it. Go to the browser, and now if we go to the home page, we can visit our home page. So $sign actually unprotect the home page. Now if we visit the dashboard page, what will happen? We'll need to sign in to visit or create an account to visit the dashboard. No one can allow to visit the dashboard until they are signed in or created account. This is makes sense, and this is the real world. So if we continue, you can see that we are allowed to visit the dashboard page. So this is the number 2 way and the most secure and reliable way to protect a root. And just logged out. Yeah. So what if we visit the about page? So if we try to visit the about page, we can see that we are redirected to the Kinde authentication system. So this is actually also not make any sense, because if someone have to sign in to visit your about of your page, then this make actually no sense. So go to the code and exclude the about page from here. Add new about. So not API, then not about, then these system files are excluded to visit. So save the page, go to the browser, and again go to the home page, and then about page. Yes, now we are allowed to visit the about page. What about our privacy policy page? Yes, you can see that we again redirect to the Kinde authentication system, and this should not be happen. So again, we have to exclude the privacy policy page as well as terms of service page. So go to our code and exclude the privacy policy page and terms of service page. Save it, go to the browser, visit the privacy policy page. Yes, we are allowed to visit the privacy policy page and terms of service page. Let's see what happened. Yes, we can see the terms of service pages as well. But here, one thing is very clear, that without these privacy policy, term of service and about pages, every other pages you have to sign in to visit the page. You have to create an account to visit those pages, like this page. This is not existed. But if you visit this page, you have to paste the authentication system. All right. So this is actually the real world, and this is the ideal way to add Kinde to our application. So my friends, thank you for staying with me. Hope this video helps you. Please do comment, subscribe and like. Thank you.